Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this new tool I found called Zaption. Zaption allows you to turn online videos into interactive learning experiences. These experiences include things such as open-ended questions, multiple choice questions. You can put images in the videos. It's kind of really cool. So to get to Zaption, you would go to www.zaption.com. and you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. To create a free account, you'll click this button that's called Join Free. If you already have an account, you can click Login. When you click Login, you have the option to either sign in with your email and password, or you can just sign in with Facebook or Google. So this screen here is called your dashboard. On your dashboard, you can see all the tours that you have made. A tour is what Zaption calls their interactive video experiences. And to create a new tour, you can click on this button that says New Tour in the upper left. The first thing you have to do when you create a new tour is to add a video. I'm going to call this video Parts of the Brain. So I'll search. And by default it searches YouTube, but you can also search Vimeo, PBS, National Geographic, TED Talk, Discovery, NASA, Edutopia, whatever floats your boat. There's a ton of different choices here. But for us, I'm going to look on YouTube, and I'm going to go and scroll down and choose this quick 1-minute video called Parts of the Brain. And from here, I'm going to click Add this video to tour. Once you add your video to the tour, you'll see this screen here. The video you've selected will appear in this space. Below that, you have a timeline, and to the right, you have a sidebar. Up at the top, you'll see a variety of different buttons. Each of these buttons represent a type of content you can add to the video to make the experience interactive. So the first thing you'd want to do is to start playing your video. To do that, you click the play button at the bottom. And to add a piece of content, you'll pause. And let's say we want to put our own title page on top of this. You can look in the upper left here, and you'll see the text slide. And you can click this and drop it on top of the video or on the sidebar to the right and add text of your own. Once you've added your text, you can then adjust the presentation of this text by clicking Element Settings in the upper right. And here you can choose where the video appears, either on the video itself or on the sidebar to the right. You can also choose what happens to the video. Either the video keeps playing while the text is up, or the video will pause. Below that, you can choose how long this lasts. By default, it's 3 seconds, but I'm going to make this last 2 seconds since it's a quick little title. And then below that, you can choose the background. Either it's transparent, which allows you to see the video clearly, semi-transparent, which has a fuzzy picture of the background, or completely black background. I'm going to choose semi-transparent, and then I'll click Done, and you'll be able to see our text right here. So I'm going to continue playing the video. So I just paused the video again, and this is where I'm going to add another element. The next element I'll add is a quick multiple choice question. To do this, you look up here where it says multiple choice, and you're going to drag and drop it where you want the question to appear. This time I chose the sidebar. This top line is where you enter the question, and then you have choices. And then from here, you can continue playing your video. I can pause this again to add another element. This time, I'm going to add a checkbox question. So this is a multiple answer question. To do this, I will just click the checkbox, and I'll drag this one on the sidebar as well. And I'll ask the question, and then you can add your answers here, and then we'll continue playing our video. I'll pause this again. And as you can see, each of these little flags represent content you've added. So let's say you want to add an image on top of the video. You can click this image button, and you can drop it on top of the video. And then you can browse your computer for the image you want to use. And here you can see my image. And I can click and drag this to resize it a bit. Put that right on top. And again, I'll go to the element settings. And I'll choose to pause the video when this image appears so students can look at it longer. And then I'll click Done, and I'll just go back a little bit. And as you can see, our video paused when this appeared, and then when students are ready to keep watching, they can click play again.
Pons and cortex visual.
So I'll pause the video one last time to demonstrate how to put an open-ended question. So once again, we're going to look at our sidebar at the top, and we're going to find the button that corresponds to open-ended. And I'm going to click and drag this. I'll drop it right in the sidebar here, and I'll ask my open-ended question. And when I'm done, I'm just going to click play again, and just let the video play as I'd like it. So when you're all happy with your video, you will then click this publish button in the upper right hand corner, and it'll remind you to give the tour a title if you haven't already. When you're done, you'd click publish, and you'll be brought to this page here. This is your presenter screen. You can either present your video as is, or you can click the share button. And when you click share, you can either post the link on your Blackboard page, or you can embed it right into Blackboard using the item embed code. When you're done with that, you can click done at the bottom. And the last thing I want to point out is this button here called Analytics. If you click that, you'll be brought to an analytics page that allows you to see how your students are interacting with this tour. You can see the viewers by date, how long they've been watching it, the average viewing time, unique viewers. You can view the responses here, and you can look at all the different viewers if they have an account here. So that is my quick tour on our Zaption tool. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.